In this video, we will show you how to configure PDF parsing for ePosting in the subjects register. The way you configure PDF parsing affects which invoice data will be collected using OCR technology. This lets you define how precise you want the records on invoices received from individual suppliers to be. Let's look at an example. As the responsible person in the company, Ashley accountant wishes to define the way of recording invoices for a new supplier. To do that, she goes to the subjects register, selects e-services, and adds a new record with the e-posting type. She selects the corresponding mailbox, and, from the drop-down menu, in Data, selects the PDF OCR parsing method. She can choose between the option summarized by tax rates, if the line items on the invoice are summary amounts divided by tax rates, or the option detailed by line items, if she needs to record individual line items from invoices received from suppliers. In this case, she selects the second option, detailed by line items. The OCR workflow captures data from the header of the invoice, in the same way, which you can see in the metadata. Before we wrap up, we would like to give you a piece of advice. If you're recording received invoices primarily for making payments and tax records, you can enter the line items of the invoice as types of costs with summary amounts by tax rates. In other cases, e-invoice line items are parsed as individual line items, with quantities and prices, on invoices received from suppliers. Thank you for your attention. For further help or advice, please refer to our consultants.